Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure MX Player is allowed to access storage. Without that permission, you cannot change locations. Open Android settings, find apps, pick MX Player, then grant storage. Once done, open MX Player and tap the three-dot menu to access settings. This moves you directly into the app options where storage paths can be adjusted. Make sure the folder you want exists on your SD or internal storage, so MX Player can index. Now go to Settings, choose Library, then Manage Folders to view current scan paths. Tap Add to navigate to the new folder you created. Selecting it tells MX Player where to look. For SD card locations, Android will prompt for permission. Choose the SD root or specific folder and confirm with Allow. After selecting, use the Scan or Refresh option so the app indexes new files. This ensures media thumbnails and playback metadata appear correctly. Finish by tapping Refresh to force a library rescan so MX Player recognizes the new storage. Play a sample file to verify playback and subtitles work from that location. If something goes wrong, make sure storage permission remains granted and the folder path is correct. Remount the SD card or move a test file to internal storage to isolate the issue. If indexing still fails, clear MX Player cache or reinstall as a last resort. This resets settings but preserves media files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.